Lesson 32, Useful Leaves. So here we will study in GK about some useful leaves. You know children, leaves are used for cooking food, adding flavor to dishes and preparing medicines. What are the uses of leaves? We use leaves such as spinach, then curry patta for cooking food and adding flavor to dishes. And some leaves are used for preparing medicines also. So here some pictures of leaves. You have to identify these pictures. You have to recognize it and tell the name of the leaves. First of all, the leaves of coriander, also called dhania ki patti. The leaves of coriander, also called dhania ki patti in Hindi. We call it in Hindi dhania ki patti, are used to garnish dishes and prepare chutney. You know children, this is dhania ki patti. In English its name is coriander. Okay, coriander, and it is used to make chutney. Clear? So you have to fill in your book the word coriander. The leaves of banana, also called kele ke patte, in Hindi are used for cooking, wrapping and serving food. This kele ke patte, this is used for cooking also, and sometimes we wrap the food also in kele ke patte. Why? Because it keeps the food fresh and serving food. And mostly in South India, people serve food in this kele ke patte. Okay, like here we use disposal plates and all. No, in South Indian places, this kele ke patte is used for serving the food in the functions. Clear? This is mint leaves. Which leaves? Mint. In Hindi we call it podine ke patte, podina ka patta. The leaves of mint, also called podine ke patte, in Hindi are used to add flavor to food and drinks. So you used to drink this podine hara and all these things. Some drinks are there which is good for stomach, that is made by podina's patta. Okay, and prepare chutney also, and we make chutney also with the podina ka patta, that is called as mint. It is mint. The dried leaves of bay, also called tej patta. This is said to be bay in English. It is used in mostly North Indians where curries. We use this tej patta. In Hindi we call it tej patta, and it is used to add flavor and aroma in the food. It is used to add flavor and aroma, fragrance in the food. Okay, this is bay. This leaf is called as bay, tej patta. The leaves of curry, this is curry patta, this is called as curry leaves. Curry patta in Hindi are found in most South Indian dishes, in sambar and chutney, dosa, you know, no? So in that dishes we use this curry patta. In curry also we use curry patta. Okay, so this is called as curry patta. This is basil. Basil in Hindi we call it tulsi. This is the holy leaves of basil, also called tulsi. Holy leaves, why? Because it is used by the Hindus in mostly worship. Okay, and this is called as tulsi ka patta in Hindi, are used to add flavor to food. This is used to add flavor to food and prepare medicine. It is very good medicine. These leaves are lettuce. The leaves of lettuce are used in salads and sandwiches. So these leaves we use in salad and sandwiches. So this all is given in the lesson. You have to fill in the book, and I will send you notes also that you have to write in the copy. Thank you children.